Today's video is about concealed carry and officer interactions, what the law is in Arizona, and some best practices for officers. My name is Steve Serbalik, and I'm a panel attorney with AsCops in Arizona. Remember, like all of my videos, this is a topic summary and not legal advice. So if you have specific questions, please contact your legal unit. Arizona is what's known as a constitutional carry state, a phrase that can be more than a little misleading, but in practice means that competent adults without criminal records generally can carry a concealed firearm in Arizona without a permit. But this right to carry concealed has important limits. Generally speaking, these limits include, but are certainly not limited to, carrying a defaced weapon, one with the serial numbers altered or removed, selling or transferring a weapon to a prohibited possessor, discharging a firearm at or in an occupied structure, carrying into certain government facilities like election polling places or school grounds, or the one that I'm primarily focused on in this video, carrying concealed and not identifying the fact that the possessor has a weapon when contacted by a law enforcement officer and asked if the person is carrying a concealed deadly weapon. This provision of the misconduct involving weapons statute is found at ARS section 133102A1B. Also, under ARS section 133102A2, adults under the age of 21 cannot carry a concealed weapon in a vehicle unless it's in a holster or compartment, like the console or glove box. Additionally, ARS section 3102L says that when law enforcement contacts a person who's in possession of a firearm, the law enforcement officer may take temporary custody of the firearm for the duration of that contact. If a possessor fails to honestly answer officers' questions when asked about whether they are carrying a firearm, that possessor commits misconduct involving weapons. And in this case, this misconduct is a Class 1 misdemeanor. For the purposes of the misconduct involving weapons statute, contacted by a law enforcement officer means a lawful traffic or criminal investigation, arrest, or detention, or an investigatory stop by a law enforcement officer that's based on reasonable suspicion that an offense has been or is about to be committed. Putting all of this together, if an officer during a traffic stop asks a driver if the driver has any firearms, the driver must answer honestly and must surrender the weapon upon request to the law enforcement officer for the duration of the stop. If the driver does not comply, that driver has committed misconduct involving weapons and is subject to arrest. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Please like this video so that YouTube will show it to more interested viewers. And please subscribe for more law enforcement lesson videos and click the notification bell so that you know when videos are released. Videos come out at 5:30 p.m. every Sunday, Arizona time. I'm Steve Serbalik. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.